You're on.
Get on the meat. Got the meat? I mean, I'm okay too. It looks pretty good. Never actually done this before, so this is all experimental. And this is live. This is not pre-recorded. This is live. This is not staged. This isn't some bullshit thing. This is live experimentation. I really have no idea what the hell I'm doing. But the... Damn, what the... Oh shit. That's unacceptable.
Drops meat.
Yeah.
You did not see that?
No, I see that. No, nope, no, I see that.
There's a 3-second rule. It's all good.
That's good. A little more. So obviously I'm not genius at this, but I think we're looking pretty good here. Probably more than I can eat. Nancy doesn't actually eat beef, so you can't come by it because we're in quarantine. Sorry.
I have chicken.
Oh shit, I didn't cut myself, did I?
Ah, look at the beauty. Look at it all, huh?
I'm bleeding over here.
You're fine. Stay safe, be good. God bless us, everyone.